worldwatch is about 9:30 a.m. PST, May 29th, and Gemini is up to 45 knots. Very slow strengthening, um, moving about northwestward. We expect to head northward tomorrow, then turn northeastward towards Japan on the 1st. Should be a tropical storm by the time everyone center keeps it just offshore, more or less, of the mainland. Let's look at the peak intensity. They make it 80 knots by late on the 31st. Um, really, this thing is not coming together really fast, but it's a little bit more organized than it was yesterday. Definitely more convection near the center. So I agree. It probably does become a weak typhoon. Here is the models. It keeps you just offshore. Uh, so that's what we have on this. Next, we got a system in the East Pacific forming the western part of the Eastern Pacific. It's up to 60%. Could form in the middle of the next week. About 4 to 5 days. Uh, should move west to westward. Um, her, her is convex trying to develop on the itch. Um, and hers is GFS at 126 hours, 144 hours. You definitely see it right there. Really, there's nothing in the lining. It's pretty much dropped the idea of a golf or a golf, any kind of golf system. That is your world watch.